All right, everybody, welcome back to another action figure review. I'm the Evil Collector, and today's review we got the Trick or Treat Studios Screen Greats Series 2 Killer Clowns from Outer Space. We got Spikey, Rudy, and Jumbo, and I'm so happy to add these to my collection. I already have Shorty, Slim, and Fatso, so these three complete all six. Let's go and check out the packaging of these vatos. This one looks pretty cool, not bad. There's an image of him right here of Spikey. If you're looking for his UPC, here's a UPC. If you're looking for him, pause it right there. So that's pretty much it for the packaging for him. Let's check out Rudy. Comes with this popcorn gun with the popcorn effects, which looks pretty cool. There's an image of Rudy right there. And here's his UPC. If you're looking for him, pause it right there. Right there. Awesome, awesome. Thank you very much. And last but not least, chicken grease. We got Jumbo. Looking chulo, cabron, que no? Comes with his mallet. Pretty cool. There's a picture of him here again. Bien guapo, que no? Chulo, cabron. And here's his UPC. If you're looking for him, pause it right there. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get these three clowns out the box. And let's see what they're all about. All right, y'all. So here we have the Killer Clowns Wave 2 out the box, and awesome looking figures, guys. I'm happy to have these to my collection. I'll show you the other ones from Wave 1 with them as well. I feel like these are a little more detailed compared to the first wave, which we had Slim, Fatso, and Shorty. But we'll get to them now. We'll get to them in a minute, I'm sorry to say. Let's go and check out Spikey. Spikey looks pretty cool. Let me put this light on real quick. So his lights close, so he looks like he's está prendido ahorita. But yeah, pretty cool. Real metallic thrown inside the paint, which is cool, and doesn't do much articulation. I could just do the articulation real quick. So his head moves. He's on a ball peg, so it moves around that much, and it turns good. And that's pretty much all the things you get from him. And then you get the arm movement goes all the way around, and a little hinge up and down. And that's it. And then the wrist swivels around. That's all for both hands. So that's Spikey there. And then his accessories, he comes with a little hand puppet he uses. I guess when he's doing a little show, like a little hand puppet show. And then he has the gun that goes on there, which is pretty cool. That looks crazy. And then he always scared me the way he did that laugh, like, you know, that crazy ass laugh he does. So that's pretty cool. Let's do Rudy real quick. Here's Rudy. This one looks again prendido. Like he está bueno, jale. That's what kind of face he has. And the detailing him's good. No, they're all like PVC bodies, each one of them. His articulation, I can just do real quick. Just moves same way as Spikey, and then hand swivel. Same thing on this side. Hand swivel, and that's it. The head's on the ball peg, so it moves around that much. Turns both sides, left to right, and no problem. Looks down a little bit, doesn't look up much at all. So that's what Rudy does. And then he comes with this gun, the popcorn gun. Got to be careful when you take it out of the plastic because mine broke, so I had to use Gorilla Glue on it to put it back in place. But yeah, the detailing on it's really dope. Kind of almost like a NECA accessory. And then it comes with this popcorn effect that has a translucent, and you connect it to it. Let's see here. It goes right there. It has a certain way you put it in, like that. So it's like shooting the popcorn out. That's pretty cool. Actually, I could just leave it at that for now. And then we have Jumbo, which is very Jumbo-ish. His face. And these clowns are on some good stuff. That's what happens when you're a clown. And now his shoulders does move, but just because his costume in here, it blocks it so it doesn't go all the way around, but it does have that range if you needed to, but I wouldn't do it because you'll probably snap the arm off. And then it does hinge, but a real light hinge right there. So just be careful with that, be mindful. And my Jumbo's hand falls off like in seconds, so be mindful of that. I mean, hopefully you get one that doesn't fall off that fast. And he does have the articulation like that, and his head's on a ball peg. He's like, hey, Bubba. And he looks up very little, looks down very little, and that's all he does. Then he comes with his mallet, his circus mallet. So that's pretty cool. PVC. And that's pretty much it, y'all, for these clowns, man. Let's go ahead and check out the comparisons to the other wave I have, which is we got Shorty right here. Just like, look at this guy, man. Prendido también. We got Shorty right there. And as I was saying, that it doesn't look as detailed as these guys. These look really detailed. And then we have Fatso, which will move right. I guess I'll put him over here by Jumbo. And then we also have Slim, which I'll move Spikey here, and I'll bring in Slim. This is Slim. This is like the detailing, or maybe it's just me. I mean, they look great still. It's like a psychotic bozo. He comes with his little gun. And there you go, guys. So that's the complete Killer Klowns from Outer Space. The only one we're missing would be that huge one that comes out in the end of the movie. I don't know if y'all seen it. Spoiler alert. And it's like just a real big clown that comes over the spaceship or the circus thing. And he's just massive, almost like Galactus size. Now let's do some other size comparisons to other clowns we have in our collection. We have the probably DC Joker. We got the NECA Terrifier Art the Clown, which is from Wave 1. And then we also have Pennywise from It Chapter 2. I want to say this is wrong. And then just a comparison to a normal size human being, 1/12 scale, a policeman. Which obviously, in my opinion, I think the clowns are like as big, like that big in the movie compared to a normal human being. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, comment below. Let me know what y'all think. If you're gonna go out and hunt for them, I did pick them up just to let you know at this store, this novelty store called DVD Exchange. They have collectibles there, and I was able to find all three of Spikey, Rudy, and Jumbo. And that's it, man. So like I said, man, hope you liked the video. Hit that smash notification button that gives you notifications of more evil content coming out. Take care, my peeps, and evil out.
Like and subscribe to the Evil Collector channel and hit the notification bell for more content.